Guys, exactly as predicted, double top scenario has been completed exactly as predicted. That was an amount of how many percentage gains? Around 10% gains, guys. If you traded this using my trading opportunities, this is a double top scenario. You see here and here, that's a double top scenario. So and that's a bearish pattern, so that would be the new trading opportunity, but it has already kind of started to play out, so it may be kind of dangerous to try to trade that right now, but this is not financial advice. But this will be the neckline, and this will be the double top scenario right there. Clear rejection on that head and shoulders neckline on the big time frame, and the price and the measurement price target for this bearish double top pattern will be all the way down to around this range. Let's see, it has beautiful confluence with this price level, which is a Fibonacci retracement. Wait, is it? Yes, this is a Fibonacci retracement. So this will be the price target, has confluence right there. That will be the price target around this $37,262. That will be the measurement target for that double top scenario. And congratulations, guys. And also in the XRP price also got met, guys. I'm gonna show you really quick. Let's go here, guys. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Like 12% gains. And also congratulations, guys, if you traded this using my trading opportunities, guys. Like, look at that, exactly holding support at that green line. Like, so beautiful, man. It's just, if the XRP price breaks this support around here, let's see, around this 80 cents range, if it breaks that support, then most likely the price target for this, for the bearish breakout for this ascending triangle, then that will be around this range, and it has awesome confluence right there. It will be all the way down to this 70 cents range for the XRP price. So this will be the trading movements right here. So from here to here, that would be a 12% gain in the bullish breakout, and for the bearish breakout from here, that would be a, let's see, also around a 12% move, also because of the same measurement you use for the bearish and bullish breakout right there. And so that would be that's what I'm seeing right here in the 4-hour time frame for the XRP price. Exactly as predicted. Look at that, boom, beautiful. And so right now, guys, we are going to be talking about what is the next move for the Bitcoin price right here. So right now, as I'm recording this, the Bitcoin price is showing a lot of weakness right here in the price action using the daily time frame. You can see that this is a very strong support line, but right now, today is the first time that the Bitcoin price is touching that support since February 4th. So right now, most likely, like, this is my opinion, okay? This is not in regards of facts or things like that, okay? This can be interpreted like that, but my personal opinion right now, seeing this, most likely this is going to be a fake out, because first, this was a straight breakdown to the downside, okay, without having any like bounce like this, confirmation and continuation. Like, it didn't happen. So usually when you have this very straightforward downturn like this without going down like this, like a staircase, then the more likely scenario it's gonna eventually bounce at least something before continuing to the downside, especially when you have this very strong support. So you don't ignore that kind of support like that, especially after coming straight down like that. So what I would expect, most likely right now there's 12 minutes left until the daily time frame. A lot of technical analysis will see this support line and they will be like, oh my gosh, it's losing the support. Oh, watch out. But most likely, I am anticipating for this to be a fake out, to come and retest these levels around here, to then the Bitcoin price itself decide to keep going down or keep going upwards. But for the moment, most likely in this daily time frame, the body candle close in the daily time frame is most likely going to close below that. And since you already have a lot of people bearish, and especially you don't have this staircase continues to the downside, this is most likely going to be a fake out. Okay, most likely. Okay, most likely this is going to close a daily body candle close below this line, and then head a little bit lower and then bounce like this, or retest this levels around here. But that's what I'm personally anticipating. Okay, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin price can't keep going down like this. Like, it can happen. Okay, like it's Bitcoin, it can do that. But I'm telling you, the most likely scenario, this is not any kind of support line. Like, this is a very strong support line. This is a 0.786 Fibonacci retracement on the bearish retracement. Like, this is strong support, so this is going to hold support. Right now, a lot of people are like, the people who know technical analysis and are watching these levels are most of them are gonna be bearish. Like, oh my gosh, it didn't hold support and still it's going down. And now it's going to close a body candle close below that daily, be below that support line. But even if it closes a body candle below that, that doesn't mean it's going to continue down like this. Okay, personally, I will anticipate a fake out. Okay, next body candle close in the daily time frame a little bit lower, and then remain in these levels for some time to scare a lot of people, or just bounce from here and stay around this level as resistance, or in summary, it will most likely be a fake. Okay, that's my opinion. But looking at the technical analysis, if this Bitcoin price continue. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP crypto investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is and podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market, so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. Continues to the downside, then expect for the Bitcoin price to retest this level around here, this $32,680 level, this $32,680 level. Okay, that will be a very strong support. Okay, why is that strong support? Because that line comes from here. Look at that, from here. Like, it had a resist support there, support there, support there, and this will be the new support if it can't hold this level right here. But right now, guys, I want to say right now, this inverse head and shoulders pattern has been invalidated, because right now you see this shoulder head and this shoulder, then now this shoulder is very close to this head, so I would say it's invalidated. Okay, that inverse head and shoulders is invalidated. Okay, and right now the double top scenario has already been met, so that's very beautiful. And you can see, like I told you guys, also after the Bitcoin price retesting these three lines, these monthly pivot points, you can see it tried to hold support, but just didn't hold. Exactly. It was funny because it just ignored the resistance like this and then ignored the support like this. Almost never happens. Okay, that's very rare when that happens, but usually those are very strong resistance and support levels. Okay, so right now, guys, so immediate support levels, I'm going to see in the horizontal side besides this one. Let's see if there's another one over here, like around this level. Let's see here. Just here, this range, this is a lot of support, so it's gonna be from this range like this, which is right now. The next one will be like around here, but that has confluence also with this line over here. So yeah, guys, right now still, guys, I remembered here, remember, guys, still this head and shoulders pattern is still in play. Look at this giant head and shoulders breakout, confirmation, continuation to the downside, try to invalidate that neckline, got rejected again, and it's now close to these levels right here. Still, this head and shoulders is in play, but I mentioned before, this head and shoulders pattern has a technical price target of around $15,000, which personally I think that's not going to happen. Okay, unless the stock market crashes like 80% or even 50%, I would, right now that technical price target, in my opinion, is not most likely not going to be a realistic scenario for it to be met. So right now I can tell you that for sure. Also, so guys, right now the Bitcoin price is just dumping, so it's just it already met the double top pattern. That's around a 10% gain. Support levels will be around this $37,280 level. That it's very important for the Bitcoin price to close above that support line. Okay, a body cannot close above the support line in the daily time frame. But right now the problem is not a problem, but remember, just because a daily body cannot closes below this support line, that doesn't mean it's automatically gonna confirm this continuation to the downside. It can, but you have to look at different factors. Okay, did the price went like this, like a staircase to continuation to the downside? How much did the Bitcoin price has already going down by? How much? This is a bearish trend like this. It tried here, but again got rejected like this. So the factors right here is that the Bitcoin price has been in a bearish trend for a long time now, and right now in the most recent scenario, you have this continuation to the downside like this without having a staircase of a continuation to the downside. So when you have a straight pullback like this without having a staircase continuation to the downside, then you will most likely expect a bounce. The bounce, sometimes it's very hard to determine how high can it go. Like it can do this, and it can also do this, like this, or consolidate and then bounce. Those are three scenarios that can happen, and those three scenarios are determined by the other factors, which I'm telling you. So in summary, in order for this support line to truly be broken, I will anticipate for the Bitcoin price to close at least two daily body candle closes below that line, okay, before continuing to the downside, if it is going to do that. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to do that, but if it starts closing from 2 to 4 daily body candle closes below this line, around this $37,280 level, then I would say, okay, expect for this price target around this $32,680 level as strong support right there. So but for the moment, most likely this is going to be a fake out, like I told you guys at the beginning. And the intro, like, hello guys, so welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make it the best decisions in cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. I haven't already made the video, most of it, but I just wanted to say the intro, like that doesn't fail. So right now, guys, yeah, fake out most likely. Daily body candle close is most likely going to close below this orange line, which is a 0.786 Fibonacci retracement around the $37,280 level, and then this wick was around this $36,832 level. Most likely it's going to go lower than that, and how low, that's a hard part, but what I can say that it's almost guaranteed to go lower than the wick. Okay, can do this low or this much, but what I have certain is that most likely a little bit lower and then bounce. Okay, if it's not going to bounce from this candle in tomorrow, then the next one, boom, fake out, because again, straight pullback, didn't hold support. That's a very strong support line. It's going to scare a lot of traders. It's going to scare a lot of technical analysis traders. And also, this has to confirm as resistance about a few times before continuing to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price, guys. And I'm going into the XRP price also, guys, because I want to cover the price targets, because in just one video it makes it very handful. Look at that 70 cents range. Wow, that's massive. Look at that, exactly. That was a resistance there. Look at that, resistance there. It just keeps it keeps getting rejected. If it keeps getting rejected, then boom and boom. That's how it is. Rejection, boom. Rejection, boom. Rejection, boom. Rejection, boom. And head and shoulders, boom. Wow, this was a head and shoulders, okay? But still, this ascending triangle was in play, broke out, confirmed as a resistance, and boom, beautiful. So, and also this head and shoulders had price target, let's see, from the wick. Okay, that's interesting, because you can see right here in the XRP price, we have this head and shoulder pattern right there and there. Look at that, like so. And what is the price target? I'm gonna just draw it again just in case. Okay, from the wick, from here to the head there, broke out the neckline. The target will be around 66 cents right there, here. Okay, for that head and shoulders. That's the very like bullish, not bullish, the bearish scenario. But if you measure the price target from the body candle close, then it will be like this and like this, and boom, it will be like this, and that will be the price target. So to be conservative, this head and shoulders has already been met. using the body candle closes here. But if you're gonna consider the wicks, then the price is around this 66 cents range. From experience, usually the wicks also counts. It doesn't matter if it's 1 or 2 wicks. They're very consistent. It doesn't matter. Like if you will have drawn this line to the body candle like this, of course it's gonna be like hard to navigate, because you know, resistance there, wick, body candle close above here, body candle close below, rejection there. It's easier and it works. Like trend lines work here in cryptocurrencies, like literally, even in XRP price that's very volatile. Like you can see it right there. Resistance, and boom, just it works. So right now, using the XRP price, the head and shoulders pattern in the conservative side has already been met. That's around this 70 cents range, and before that, I already mentioned about the ascending triangle right here, a bearish breakout confirmation, and the price target was around here, the 70 cents range. That's a percentage gain of around 12%. So congratulations, guys, if you traded this using my technical analysis trading opportunities right there. And this head and shoulders, I just draw this today because I noticed it right now, because she says I made this video about this pattern, then the next one, I was just waiting for the next move, kind of, because XRP was showing very strong signs, but Bitcoin price kept dumping, and then boom, had that continuation to the downside. But if you're gonna trade these head and shoulders using the wicks, then the price target for this will be around the 66 cents range. Like wow. That would be this right there. Going into the Bitcoin price, just a moment, guys. Oh, look at that body candle close. See here, let's see here, look at that, already had a bounce, kind of, but still this most likely is going to go lower. Daily body candle close has already closed below here, like I mentioned, exactly as predicted. no, okay, so here, guys, oh, look at that. Remember, guys, wick below that, and then continuation to the upside a little bit to go above this support line, most likely, to get some people excited. Oh my gosh, look at the bounce, it's finally a bounce, and then or this, it's going to consolidate it like this. It'll be like this, boom, fake out. Oh my gosh, it's bullish. And then boom, just like that. Okay, and here in the Bitcoin price, guys, also we can use the simple moving averages as support also, but it's just they're above here, so there's resistance. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see in the weekly time frame. And so look at that, guys. Okay, so this orange line is the 100 simple moving average in the weekly time frame. So here, that's around this $33,155 level. That will be very strong supporting, and it also has confluence with this horizontal orange line right here. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, so like I mentioned, very strong support around this level, so that's very good, guys. And anyway, so yeah, guys, I'm very happy that the Bitcoin price is falling down like that, because just you get more time to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Like that's how it works. Like you want to buy the dip, okay? Every dip, it's just another opportunity to make more money when the Bitcoin price decides to end its bull run, okay? That's how it works. So that's why I enjoy when these pullbacks come like this, because it's just, you have more time to buy, okay? Have more time to buy what? We got Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano. Look at Cardano, 85 cents for the Cardano price. Like, look at that. That's so beautiful. Like, guys, when I say it's beautiful, guys, Cardano is gonna be more from 5 to 10 years from now. It's gonna be most likely above $20 to $100. Like, do you really care if it's on 85 cents range right now? Okay, if you truly know about the project and if you know who's investing in those projects, like, they're not going to lose. Okay, they're going to have a massive when the types of people who invest in these cryptocurrencies are the type of people that don't lose in investments, the same ones in the stock market. But okay, this is not financial advice, okay? This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying, guys, like, this Bitcoin, just, you have very you have very big whales in regards of the, the investments, buying Bitcoins or Ethereum. Those cryptocurrencies are going to be in the future, okay? Bitcoins, RP, Ethereum, Chainlink, Litecoin can be, but it can also be in the future, but it's just, yeah. But yeah, it can still be. But Cardano, like, Cardano, Theta, like, gosh. So, guys, the Bitcoin price from here in 5 to 10 years, it's going to be around $500,000 to $1 million, to $500,000 to $2 million from 5 to 10 years from now. Okay, it's gonna be most likely around here, guys. Like, wait a sec, it's 104. It's just wanna be okay. That's okay. Alright, guys, look at that. The Bitcoin price from here to 5 to 10 years from now, it's gonna be around this levels right here. Okay, it's gonna be like this around here. Okay, don't get freaking bearish because of this little tiny candle. Okay, if you truly believe in the project and you know how this works and the value of the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin project brings to the cryptocurrency market, then you're not supposed to be scared. You're supposed to be happy that you're getting these pullbacks, because no matter the asset, even Amazon during its first times has lost 80 to 90% and still recover and made massive gains. Okay, that was in the early stages. The Bitcoin price is almost the same. Like Amazon, let's see the Amazon chart. So I'm going to the monthly time frame right here. Linear, this is the log scale. Like, look at this perfect example here. Oh wow, double top scenario, exactly like the Bitcoin price did, exactly. But this is the monthly time frame. But look at this, Amazon, this was around December 1st 1999. Pull back to where? I'm gonna show you from here. This is the bubble. Wow, this was the bubble. This was the tech bubble stocks that was happening around those times. Look at that, 95% pullback. Okay, it was even more than I mentioned. Like, oh my gosh, that's very harsh, and that's a stock. Okay, that's a stock. Okay, this cryptocurrency would be more. It would be like 99%. So look at that. Even Amazon during those times pulled back 95%. But if you bought around these levels, like, it doesn't matter. Look at this, from here to where is it now? When you have a solid project, it's eventually going to do this. That's why you have to do your own due diligence, because this, no one can invest for you, but you can surely know when to invest if you put the time. And in order to eliminate the fear in investing, you have to know what you're getting yourself into in the investment market. Just, you have to know the project, who's investing in the long term, if it has numerological signs, which are very crucial also, but that's another topic for another day. But if you measure from here, from the bottom, I'm not gonna assume that you bought the little bottom, but let's see if from the bottom to here, like 68,000%, guys. That's insane, guys. That's 680 times your investment. 680 times your investment, okay? And even if you didn't bought the exact dip, okay, even like you could have bought around even here, even the top, from the top to here. Look at that. That's around a 30x from there, okay? But that's the beauty of getting to buy here, the bottom, not the top. You get more gains. If you start buying at the top, then it's gonna be less gains in the future. But still, it will make good gains, anyways. But you truly have to know what you're getting yourself into if you truly want to be successful in this in almost any investment. So right here, if you bought here, from here to here, look at that, boom, 200x your investment. Like, guys, that's why the investing in the long term is very important, because you buy these dips, boom, dip, bought, dip, pump, dip again, buy here, and just, it's self-explanatory. Like, just look at that, boom, very beautiful. So right here, guys, right now in the Bitcoin price, we can see here, oh, come on, that's not that one, there, this one. Look at that, Bitcoin price, unless it's in 13 years. Let's see the gains from this top to here. 41,600%. That's 410 times your investment. Like, just, it's self-explanatory. Just buy the dip and hold. That's it. It's just, it's not that hard, okay? Dip, buy it. Boom. Gains, buy. You see this dip, buy it. And if it dips again, buy it again, okay? And boom. Eventually, the market is gonna give you your pumpage. Okay, it's gonna protect your money if you're truly investing in a good project or investment or service. It depends, but in cryptocurrency, you're investing in a very beautiful project that has a lot of value and resolves the transparency problem most of the times evades lies in the market. Okay, this is the solution: cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Yeah, I can make another video stating how does it work and like that. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now with the Bitcoin price, guys. This has been a long video, but it's just I wanted to tell you my reasoning for. I want to tell you my overview in the XRP, in the Bitcoin price and in the XRP price, and in general this cryptocurrency market. Like, it's okay, guys. It's alright. XRP. This 5 to 10 years from now, this is going to be around easily from $50 to $200. Right now, it's around 70 cents. Freaking 70 cents. Just buy it, okay? I'm buying the dip, guys. Like, this is very beautiful. I enjoy that, okay? And if it keeps going lower, it's okay. I'm gonna keep buying more because I know the project is going to increase in value in the long term, okay? I know which kinds of people are investing in this cryptocurrency. The project itself, the fundamentals. News doesn't make sense. The news most of the times are bullshit in regards of the determination in the price action for the cryptocurrency. Most of the times it's bullshit because the movement in the cryptocurrency is going to do it regardless if news comes out, okay? Most of the times. There are very rare occasions where the news affects the price. Like, it's rare, really, okay? Most of the times it's just technical analysis, okay? It's not that this, like, exactly, guys, when you just this market in regards of the amount of news that is being put out in a timely manner. It's just funny because I want to say the example that I want to make my point clear on what I'm saying. So if, for example, you see this double top, there weren't any news, and exactly as it started breaking down, boom, you see a bad news in the cryptocurrency market. You see a hack, you see a tethered fraud, you see something. It's planned, okay? It's planned to justify that, oh, the price did that because of the news. No, it didn't. It's just technical analysis determined that, okay? Traders, which most of the good traders look at the technical analysis, and if you see this double top and it breaks its support, then you're gonna sell, okay? So that's how it works. It's not the news, it's just a technical analysis. And the same here, when you break out of this massive falling wedge, coincidentally, wow, good news, very good news. Oh, a billionaire just bought Bitcoin out of nowhere. And it's funny because these billionaires have already bought Bitcoin before the news even came out, but they already have this pre-planned news in advance when this bullish action happens, because people want to know why did the price did that specific movement, and they can't accept the fact that it was going to do that anyways. But some people just want to know why, and news stations are capitalized on that. But the people don't know that the price was going to do that anyways, and also at the same time, to convince people that the market is not manipulated, then you also want to say something why the price did something. Why did the price did that in a specific time frame, or this amount of gains or this amount of losses? Because people can also assume, oh my gosh, what? So the price did that and there weren't any news. Oh, that's manipulation. So yeah, guys, it's just, in summary, technical analysis is going to do it itself. So the Bitcoin price, it's just going to do what it's going to do, regardless of the news, unless the news are very, very exaggerated, like World War III, World War IV, or a real pandemic, like serious stuff. But the other stuff are not truly news that are going to move the market, okay? Just want to tell you guys that, because it's funny, because I see so many YouTubers and sometimes covering, oh, why did the Bitcoin price did that and this, but it's just, most of those people don't know technical analysis. They just share news. That's easy. Almost anyone can share news, okay? And I understand they're trying their best to, help out, but just, that's how it works. And that's why I'm saying this, so you don't get like confused when that happens, because around 1 to 2 weeks ago, there weren't any news and the Bitcoin price was falling down, because the Bitcoin price is gonna do what it's going to do regardless of the news most of the times, okay? Unless there's a very serious news, then don't expect for the Bitcoin price to just follow what the news are saying. That's bogus. That's bullshit. That's what most people think, but that's not what it is, okay? It's not. It's not. But yeah, guys, 35. Wow, this video has been very long, but it's okay. I enjoy making this video. So right now, guys, to finish this, I wanna just say the last price, the support levels for the XRP price right here. So it's very important for this green line to hold support around this 70 cents range. If this green line doesn't hold support around this 70 cents range, then expect for the XRP price to come down around this 63 cents range, and also at the same time completing the head and shoulders technical price target right there using the wicks. Let's see here in the 4-hour time frame, and view like so. Okay, so yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price, and I just want to end out the video saying that. So yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing in the XRP price. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. So if you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cryptocurrencies, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notification to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my technical analysis YouTube videos in regards to the cryptocurrency market. And also you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP Crypto Investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is the podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month, and at the same time you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.